Magei kasilobi nakozonga bayama mopembo ezali ndeli wateo totika bamboka mosika tokende koluka bomoima tokoma mitelengano na mboka mopaya nania.
Hello everyone, here we are going to learn how to speak Lingala. First of all, we have to start by the parts where we talk about the human body. Let's start, let's not waste time. Moto, the head. Liso, the eye. Miso, the eyes. Zolo, the mouth. Suki, the hair. Litoi, the ear. Matoi, the ears. Monoko, the mouth. Mbebo, the lips. Lolemo, the tongue. Lino, the tooth. Mino, the teeth. Libefu, the chin. Lipeka, the shoulder. Mapeka, the shoulders. Liboko, the arm. Maboko, the arms. Second part. Mosapi, the finger. Misapi, the fingers. Kingo, the neck. Likolo, the leg. Makolo, the legs. Lisoko, the bum or ass. Litambi, the foot. Matambi, the feet. Mosapiya makolo, the toe. Misapiya makolo, the toes. Libolongo, the knee. Mabolongo, the knees. Manzaka, the nails. Libumu, the belly. Mokongo, the back. Litama, the cheek. Matama, the thick. How to call family members in Lingala. Yaya ya Mobali, the big brother. Yaya ya Mwasi, the big sister. Leki ya Mwasi, the young sister. Leki ya Mobali, the young brother. Noko, the uncle. Mama Leki, Mama Kulutu, the aunt. Mobali nanga, my husband. Mwasi nanga, my wife. Semeki ya Mwasi, the sister-in-law. Semeki ya Mobali, the brother-in-law. Koko ya Mobali, the grandfather. Koko ya Mwasi, the grandmother. Papa Bokilo, the father-in-law. Mama Bokilo, the mother-in-law. Moninga nanga, my friend. Ndeko nanga, my family. Cousin, cousin. Mwana Mwasi, daughter or girl. Mwana Mobali, son or boy. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, and you can follow us on this page. Thank you so much. See you next time. This was your friend Tony Loza. We are in the class of La classe de Maître Louza. Thank you so much.